And yet I believe that one major common factor in any business enterprise is its turnover. The total gross revenue or the share that it captures from the market. Because business, be it a training, consultancy, chartered accountants, manufacturing, services, anything ultimately has to be gauged by the gross revenue that you get. So whether it's Dinesh Sharma ji trying to introduce an impression program in India, or it's Reva Cranes introducing its products or trying to do more. So whatever we are doing is ultimately gauged by the total turnover, the total business that one did, the sales turnover. And that is why one can talk a lot about brilliant ideas. I've met a lot of people with amazing intelligence and great talent and brilliant ideas, but not successful in business. Because if idea is brilliant, it doesn't mean that you've transformed it into money. And the entire process of transforming a thought or an idea into revenue is called business.
I think I was talking to this New Zealand High Commissioner. I did a lot of program for New Zealand and Australia. He said, sir, when India comes in the market, India produces 7 times more milk than New Zealand. New Zealand market share in the world market of milk is 27%. So I think never underestimate the strength of this country. But the problem is this, the logistics. You cannot explain. When Nhava Sheva, when your truck is there, say Nagpur to Nhava Sheva, it takes 1200 kilometers. I am talking of Nagpur because Nagpur is very important because the chief minister is from Nagpur and I am told the logistics minister of the country is also from Nagpur. So it takes 1200 kilometers from this place, and when this truck arrives at Nhava Sheva, it takes 12 to 16 hours before it enters to JNPT. And when your vessel comes, it has to wait 15 to 30 days. At least 15 days. Very optimistically. So the cost of logistics is improved by $30 per ton. You cannot compete in the market, you become incompetitive. One thing I think I understand. China 28, India 54. Why Chinese products are cheaper?
So please make sure that the candidate that you call for interview must be well respected. As a matter of fact, he can become the ambassador of your company. Let him go and tell 10 people, oh my God, I went to T-Series and the way I was treated, the way they shown me the movie of the company. उनको अपनी कंपनी की मूवी दिखाइए ना.
ये कर्व्स बनाते समय हम ये ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं. There may be war, there may be catastrophe. भूचाल आ सकता है, आग लग सकती है, एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है, टेररिज्म हो सकता है, और आपकी दुकान के साथ ही एक मॉल खुल सकता है.